Building projects are not limited to the design and construction of the building. As a building owner, you also need to plan for movable parts within the building, including the furniture, decorative items, and electronic systems. In this video, we are going to cover what FF&E is and how the selection process works. My name is Jillian Riggin, and I am an interior designer here at Newman Munson Architects. Selecting FF&E can be a complex process that requires coordination between multiple parties. Luckily, an architect or interior designer can help. At Newman Munson, we have helped many clients through the process of selecting and purchasing FF&E, including commercial and healthcare organizations and school districts. In this video, we will be answering the following questions. What is FF&E? How much does FF&E cost? What is the process of selecting FF&E? How can you prepare? FF&E is anything outside of the construction package that is still a part of the building. These items can include furniture, including desks, chairs, tables, sofas, or beds, fixtures like lamps, artwork, shelving, and other decorative items, equipment such as computers, servers, monitors, and special equipment for your industry. FF&E does not include casework like built-in desks or shelving. Other immovable building parts like faucets and toilets do not count as FF&E. Instead, these items are a part of the construction budget. In short, FF&E is anything that is not attached to the building. If you were to turn the building upside down and shake it, FF&E is everything that would fall out. Generally, you can expect to spend at least 10% of your construction budget on FF&E. The cost depends on the size and complexity of your project, however. For example, hospitals tend to have higher FF&E budgets than other types of projects because they require specialized medical equipment. The durability and quality of the items you select also impacts the budget. Remember, construction packages do not include FF&E. Instead, you will need to account for this additional project cost when planning your overall budget. Most building owners work with local vendors to purchase FF&E products. The number of vendors you work with will depend on your needs. Commercial office owners may work with a single furniture vendor, while hospitals may need to work with multiple vendors to acquire medical equipment. An architect or interior designer can help you contact vendors through a request for proposal or bid package. When you take the RFP route, the vendor largely leads the process. Your architect or interior designer will help you write an RFP and solicit proposals from local vendors. You will then have the option to interview vendors and visit their showrooms before signing a contract. Your selected vendor will become your main point of contact, and you will meet with them frequently to test and select products. Your architect or interior designer will join meetings to discuss design elements like color choices and how FF&E should fit into the architecture. Although the vendor will lead the design process, your design team should stay involved to create a cohesive interior. With a bid route, your architect or interior designer will lead the process. The design team will research products, explore options, and help you make selections. After, they will write specs for every product, create bid packages, and solicit bids from vendors. Although your design team will select your products, you will still work with a local vendor. Working with the vendor helps ensure ordering and installation run smoothly. FF&E is an integral part of the design of your building. Throughout the design process, you should think about FF&E and how movable items will fit into the space. You will use these products daily, so take the time to make sure they fit your needs. We recommend involving a vendor as early as possible. A vendor can join design development meetings to learn about your design goals and the needs of the building's occupants. Involving a vendor in design development will also give you a head start on ordering products. Generally, you should order products 12 weeks before your move-in date. Depending on the size of your project, shipping and installation can take several weeks. Ordering as early as possible helps the process run smoothly. We also recommend working with a single vendor, especially for furniture. This approach simplifies the process and gives you a single contact for future repairs and replacements. Initial costs may be higher with a single vendor, but you will likely get better service in the future. FF&E encompasses a range of items from chairs to wall art to audio-visual systems. Your architect or interior designer should work to guide you through the process. By contracting vendors and joining meetings, your design team can help you find the products that fit your needs and aesthetic requirements. Now that you better understand FF&E, learn about other kinds of selections you will make during the design process by clicking the link below to read our guide to design development.